As a Texan, you know the weather can be volatile. Homeowners often face unexpected roof and home exterior damage due to storms throughout the area. Was your roof recently damaged by a storm, high winds, or falling debris? You're likely wondering what roof repairs your insurance company will cover. Good news! Most homeowners' insurance policies do cover damage caused by sudden and unexpected events. If your roof was punctured or shingles were torn off by severe weather, your policy may help pay for repairs. Of course, claims are not always black and white issues when it comes to insurance. Factors like the condition and age of your roof play a role. Luckily, there are things you can do to improve your chances of approval. For example, keep up with routine maintenance. Document all damage immediately. Work with a trusted roofing professional to repair the damage. If you're unsure about your coverage, reviewing your policy and speaking with your provider can save you time and money. So, do you want to be able to say you did everything you could to reduce your risk of your insurance company denying a claim if the unexpected occurs? Then contact First Texas Roofing and Exteriors to learn how we can help you maximize your insurance coverage and minimize the haggling and stress of dealing with the insurance company.